Meng International Trade Company Limited has more than 20 years of experience in production, research and development, and export of resin cutting and grinding wheels. Our products have advantages in cutting and grinding various metal and non-metal materials, and they have the characteristics of fast cutting, economical and practical. Product performance can meet European MPa standard and EN 12413 standard. Our factory covers an area of 8,000 square meters, has more than 20 sets of advanced automatic production and testing equipment, and has an annual production capacity of 30 million grinding wheels. Its products can meet the standards of mainstream markets such as North American ANSI 7.1, European EN 12413, and Japanese JIS require. The products are sold in more than 100 countries and regions in North America, Europe, East Asia, Southeast Asia, etc. Our advantage, rich experience in production and export, ensures that each customer's goods can be safely delivered to customers with quality, quantity, and efficiency. The perfect company management system ensures that each customer can enjoy value-added services. A complete development team ensures the company's independent research and development capabilities and keeps products at the leading level in the industry. We accept OEM and ODM orders, welcome every customer to visit and negotiate, and look forward to cooperating with you.